How to use Blackberry Farm, Tennessee honest properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Blackberry Farm in Tennessee is a luxury resort with exceptional experiences, but beginners often make mistakes that affect their stay. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not planning reservations early. Most people get this wrong by booking last minute. Popular dining experiences, spa treatments and guided activities often sell out months in advance. Second mistake, overlooking seasonal events. You won't believe how much of the experience depends on the season. Blackberry Farm hosts culinary festivals, farm tours and music events that vary throughout the year. Plan your visit to match your interests. Third mistake, ignoring packages and add-ons. The surprising truth is bundle packages can save money and enhance your stay. Explore wine tastings, cooking classes, and guided hikes to get full value. Fourth mistake, neglecting budget considerations. Beginners sometimes underestimate costs for meals, activities, and gratuities. Reviewing options in advance helps you avoid surprises and plan accordingly. Finally, not using concierge services is common. The staff can arrange private experiences, transportation, or special requests. Leveraging their expertise ensures a seamless and memorable visit. By booking early, considering seasonal events, exploring packages, budgeting carefully, and using concierge services, you can enjoy Blackberry Farm, Tennessee fully. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your stay will be luxurious, smooth, and unforgettable.